Welcome back to my channel, and today we are putting on some street tires on these rims for my CRF 250L. Occasionally we go on rides and don't really want to do dirt stuff occasionally, so I got a second set of rims. Tires actually came with the bike when I bought it, so I'm going to put these on here now using our handy dandy Rabaconda tool. I love it. It makes it so much easier for me, and I pop less tires. We're going to get to that now, and I'll show you how easy this is.